All right, thank you all for watching me. So, all right, thank you all for joining me. And right now, I'm looking at Campi Flegrei. So far, no major activity, no earthquakes today, which is good. However, uplift, this is as of April 6th. Let's go to April 13th. Significant uplift, as you can see here. 13 millimeters per month from September 2020. That is September 2020. So it says mese, which means month. That means so the station, the GPS station RITE, has recorded 73 centimeters of uplift since January. January means January 2011. So geochemia, which means geochemical. This is the flux of CO2. The temperature of the Solfatara is about 99 degrees Celsius. That's right up to the boiling point. Well, for April 6th, the temperature about 99 degrees Celsius. Going back to March, 99 degrees Celsius, but around the boiling point. Let's go all the way back to December. About 100 degrees. So temperatures has been pretty steady. Let's go back all the way back to 2016. Okay, maybe that's a little too far back. Let's go back to 2017. Looks like there was a slight slowdown in uplift around that time. So uplift since January of 2000, 20 centimeters of uplift from January 2014. So yeah. So back then, let's go back to December 27th, 2017. Or let's go June 4th, 2019. Wow, 115 degrees Celsius. So yeah. October 1st, 2019, 114 degrees Celsius. So the temperatures of the fumaroles at the time were pretty high. So now 115 degrees Celsius. I mean, this could be because let's go to February. So this is in winter. 114. And right now, the temperatures have decreased. So there's been a decrease in the temperature of the fumaroles, which is a good sign. But however, uplift is increasing. So what you're looking at here is the amount of CO2. See? Pisarelli. This is the Pisarelli. This is the Pisarelli vent. The Pisarelli Solfatara has showed a significant decrease in CO2 emissions. So you see, there's been a decrease in uplift. Uplift has actually accelerated, which likely means that there is more pressure building in the volcano. Usually a decrease in pressure, a decrease in emissions, while an increase in uplift means that there's more pressure building in the volcano, and it could potentially blow. And now let's look at the USGS earthquakes. Let's look at, I've been looking here because that's where the eruption happened, the Icelandic eruption that's still ongoing. There's been more quakes around Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa, as you know, is getting ready for an eruption right now. Within the next few days to weeks. So there's been a multitude of quakes around the caldera. Most of the quakes have been centered in this area here. So this is where most of the quakes have been centered. So let's go to Google Maps. So this is where the 3.2 was centered. So this 3.2 earthquake, it's pretty deep, was centered right next to the caldera. The caldera is towards the east and south. So this is near the caldera. As you can see, very shallow, negative 1.3, which likely means it was very close to the caldera, probably even inside it, or yeah, as I said, near the caldera. So if we are to get an eruption, it'll likely be, it looks like it's right between Mauna Loa and Kilauea. So that's Kilauea right here, and that's Mauna Loa. See, there's another little crater here. In fact, there is a little crater here. There's actually two calderas here, and you can actually follow the fissure. So let's look at space weather right now. I have not looked at space weather in a very, very long time. In fact, let's look at some asteroids. Oh, missed. Okay. As I said, uplift still occurring, not as bad though. Let's look at geos. As you see, there's no more eruptive activity from St. Vincent. The eruptive activity has basically ceased at St. Vincent. There's some pretty strong thunderstorms that are currently rolling through Florida though. No severe weather advisories though there is a special marine warning for this cell right over here. That is right. There's a cell that's prompted special marine warning. This one right here. It's for the Bahamas. For the following areas: waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along a line extending from 31 nautical miles east of Sunny Isles. That's actually where I'm heading. To 44 nautical miles east of Surfside, to 52 nautical miles east of Triumph Reef, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: water spouts, wind gusts of 40 knots, and small hail. So this is actually, could be a supercell possibly. Looking at velocities, there's nothing indicating rotation. But the special marine warning does include the Bahama Island. It's actually including it. So yes, so the special marine warning does actually include Alistown. It includes Baileytown, Alistown, and the Bimini Islands. So yes, this special marine warning includes Bimini. Includes South Bimini and possibly North Cat Key. If you're in North Cat Key, keep an eye out on this storm. You're in a special marine warning. There are some pretty strong thunderstorms that just passed through to your northeast. Keep in mind, this warning expires in about 8 minutes, so the storms have significantly weakened. So looking at weather for today, let's look at the radar for tomorrow. Looks like there could be some convection. Look at that, even a little bit of snow up there, tiny bit. See, boom, right there. Yeah. Simulated reflectivity. Let's look at this for tomorrow. So possibly some small hail tomorrow. Let's look at this SPC for tomorrow. Still just a general thunderstorm outlook. Let's see. Let's look at the wrap for tomorrow. Convective precip. Not much for tomorrow though. Let's look at 18Z. Looks like my computer just froze on me. Yeah. It looks like the website, weather.com, just crashed. No, it's not. No, it's not up. Okay, you know what?